Huzur, Mullah Saab's question is that the teachings of Islam is that hate the sinner, not the sin. But when
Hate
the sinner, hate the sin. I apologize, Huzur. Hate the sin, not the sinners. But when punishment is awarded, the offenders, they are sometimes their hands are amputated and sometimes they are sentenced to death. So Huzur, apparently it is a contradiction. What is Huzur's opinion?
No, there is no contradiction. If a criminal is caught and paid for his evil deed, that is not because you hate the sinner. It's not because of that. It's because it's a question of common peace and law and order. If you be so kind to a sinner as to forgive even their sin in the sense that you don't punish him, then there will be completely chaos in the society and the law and order will be gone. An example of this happened in the time of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, which indicated that he did not hate the sinner, but he hated the sin. Once a sinner was about to be stoned when he ran away, and some people pursued him with great effort and until overpowered him and brought him back to where he was to be stoned. Hadiths, when he heard it, he was very angry. He said, "Why didn't you let him run away?" It was between him and God. If he wanted to escape, we shouldn't have pursued him. This indicates Rasulullah Kareem sallallahu alaihi wasallam hated the sin but not the sinner. Right?